In this video, I'm going to show you how to take full-page screenshot on iOS 16. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, let me open up Safari browser, and here, let's say I want to take a full-page screenshot of apple.com website. So I have just opened that website, and now all I have to do is press at the same time at power button and volume up button. It takes a screenshot. Just tap here at that little screenshot icon at the left of your screen, and from here at the very top you can switch between screenshot of just your screen and from full page screenshot. I tap at full page, and now I can simply by dragging on this scroll tab move along all that web page until the very bottom, and as you can see here I got full page screenshot. I can tap right there at crop icon to crop it if I want to take some specific part of that screenshot, and now I can reset or tap on done, and then I can edit this screenshot if I want. I can draw it something using that tools, and then once I finished I can hit on done, and then I can save these two photos or save this screenshot as PDF, and in that case it will be saved into files. I'll hit on save to photos, and that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.